Every bike has a story, and the story of this Brodie Flying Purple People Eater 2 is brought to us today by Squarespace, that is helping me, at least, set up an awesome web presence and web store so that I can share my content with all of you. This bike started its life in the same country I started mine, in Canada. Although this one started likely in BC, likely built in 94. At least that's when it was painted. And it was likely built by Paul Brodie, which is super awesome. Paul Brodie was a bike builder who started building bikes in the 80s and is well known for building some awesome race-capable bikes, which this bike is. It's a super light steel frame that is just perfect for my favorite kind of XC trail riding. My goal with this bike is to give it new life. I found it as a donation at the Salt Lake Bicycle Collective. Convinced the guys there to let me buy it. I really, really wanted it. And my hopes is to build it up as a sweet XC racing bike. There's a lot of good things going with this bike. One, the frame. The frame is just awesome. It does have a few dings. It has one dent that I'd like to fix, but that would involve needing to redo the original paint. And so that's something I'll address later. Right now, I just want to build it and ride it. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the build of this awesome, classic 90s Brodie Flying Purple People Eater. And I'm not sure why it's named the Flying Purple People Eater. If you know, let me know in the comments. So now, with the bike disassembled, I want to share a little bit about me. I've built websites in the past, and with this YouTube channel, I've owned the domain oldshovel.com for several years now, and have not finished a website. Partnering with Squarespace has made all the difference. Their tools were simple and easy for me to find a template that I liked and customize it to fit this old shovel content. I also am working on setting up the online store so you guys can buy some swag. And I've connected the social media accounts on their page and look forward to using some of the analytics tools after we start seeing a little more traffic on the site. So head to squarespace.com for a free trial. And when you're ready to launch that website, go to squarespace.com/oldshovel to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. And now, back to the ASMR goodness of the bike build.
out, tiger. Call me out, why don't you love? Lift me up higher, above the clouds, won't you love? When the scenery is right, go right in. I wanna fall deep within. Don't leave me hanging just 'cause I'm too proud. Whisper away my outdated doubts. Somebody do me the courtesy, dress me down. I'm not that old yet, I'm far too young to not stand my ground. But my ways are mine and I don't wanna change, not even for love. Now take back all them hard words. I'm a grown woman with confidence and sense. In the middle, meet me in the middle. I'm a riddle, figure me out. We'll tornadoes, we'll drink morning dew, and we'll be lovers, me you. Full force tiger, call me out with them blue-green eyes.
I was super stoked when I finished this build and weighed the bike. I don't normally or haven't shared that before, but it really surprised me to be under 22 pounds. Although I am using a lot of lightweight vintage components, it was pretty awesome to see this build be under 22 pounds. It's an awesome build. It rode super smooth. I love the lightweight steel frame. Building it up with some of these old vintage parts, tires, wheels, the old Sid fork, trying to match it all with XT components over different generations. Felt like a really good, clean build, a good homage to a classic built Brodie bike. Ready for more races, maybe. Also, thank you to Squarespace for making this content possible. Look for opportunities to give those old things new life. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Ciao.